Hi everyone, my name is June with RDH Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. Christmas and the New Year is right around the corner. What's your plan to celebrate Christmas and the New Year this year? No matter how you're going to spend the time, it will look a bit different than usual. As parents, you might be worried about how to make your little ones feel special this Christmas. In today's video, we are going to go through some Christmas and New Year ASL American Sign Language signs, and we will sing and sign the We Wish You a Merry Christmas song together. This is a fun activity for you to learn, have fun, and enjoy this Christmas with your families together. Here is how we sign Christmas. Christmas tree, snow, snowman, gift, gingerbread, jingle bells, candle, Santa, sleigh, reindeer, elf, wreath. Now, let's learn the sign for the We Wish You a Merry Christmas song. Here is how we sign wish. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Tidings. King. Are we ready to sing and sign together? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. RDH Care wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope we all stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye 2020. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you in 2021.